Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to a JPG in Google Drive. Let's get into it. First, open your Google Drive. Go to the internet and open your Google Drive page. Look through your folders and find the PDF file you want to turn into a picture. You have to locate the right file before you can start the process of changing it. It ensures you are working with the correct file. Next, choose a tool to open the file. You need to tell the computer which program to use to look at your file. Since the main storage only views files, you need an extra tool to change it. Right-click on your file and move your mouse to the option that says Open with. Look for a choice like Google Docs or a connected app that can edit files. Opening the file in an editor allows the computer to see the text and pictures as things that can be moved or saved in a new way. Next, save the page as a picture. Now you need to tell the program to save the information as a photo instead of a document. This is where the file type actually changes. Go to the File menu or More icon at the top and look for the option that says Download. From the list that appears, choose the one that says JPEG image or JPG. This is the most important part. By picking this option, you are telling the computer to take a snapshot of the page. It ensures your document becomes a simple picture file that anyone can open. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.